Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and today we have with us the Google Home Mini. We have it in India, but not through official channels. Thanks to my friend who brought it from US for me. I hope he would like to get his name here. So he's Mohit. Thanks Mohit for bringing this to me. This is the Google Home Mini. So it is the mini version of Google Home. So in this video we are going to unbox this, show you what all you get in the package, and we'll also show you how it compares versus the Amazon Echo that we have here. So we'll try to fire similar commands and see how it responds. So this is how the packaging is, frustration free packaging. You just pull a tab, open it, and here you have the Google Home Mini. This is nice dark gray color and the back is orange. Material choice seems nice, almost equally nice as the Amazon Echo. This is a $50 device, and this is the larger one from Amazon. The Amazon has Amazon Echo Dot, which is the similar competition for this device. Here you have some leaflets to get you started, and this is nothing but quick start guides on how to use it and all. So I'll keep it aside. And then you have the wall charger. This is the US unit, so it has US plug. This side is micro USB, which plugs into the speaker, and the speaker has the micro USB input and this button to mute it, and that's all. There is no 3.5 mm output that I can see, because I have seen that in Google Home and some other devices. They give you output in case you want to connect it to larger speakers, and that's all in the box, so there's nothing else here. So let me quickly power this on, set it up, and give you a quick comparison with the Amazon Echo. To set up the Google Home Mini, as soon as you plug it in, it asks you to install your Google Home application, which I have done. And after that, I've just proceeded and I've found the Google Home Mini here, and it has come to the Google's Assistant setup. So let's see how it does. And our speaker is ready. So
hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
So first I'll lower the volume because I think it is quite loud. So here we have the Google Home. Okay Google, how far is Qutub Minar from here?
You are 23.9 kilometers away from Qutub Minar by car.
Okay Google, what is the weather forecast for tomorrow?
It'll be sunny in Delhi tomorrow with a high of 70 and a low of 43.
Okay Google, what day is it today?
It is Friday, the 5th of January 2018.
Now I'm just gonna mute this and
The mic's off.
I'm gonna talk to Alexa. I'm gonna ask similar questions. Alexa, so I wrongfully triggered it, so let me cancel it. Alexa, how far is Qutub Minar from here?
Your current location is 9.05 miles, 14.6 kilometers from Qutub Minar as the crow flies.
Alexa, what is the weather forecast for tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Togapur, there'll be hazy sunshine with a high of 20 and a low of 6.
Alexa, what day is it today?
Today is Friday, January 5th.
Okay Google, play Lungi Dance.
Lungi Dance by Yo-Yo Honey Singh. Sure. Playing on Google Play Music.
Okay Alexa, play Lungi Dance.
Lungi Dance by Sirens of Shanti.
Alexa, okay Google, how's my schedule for tomorrow?
I'm afraid I couldn't find anything relevant in your calendar.
Alexa, what's my schedule for tomorrow?
I don't see a calendar set up.
Okay Google, will you go out on a date with me?
As long as we stay close. The cord to this device isn't very long.
Alexa, will you go out on a date with me?
I'm too much of a program to be any good at dating. I appreciate the thought though.
Alexa, do you like Google Home?
I like all AIs.
Okay, Google. Do you like Amazon Echo?
It'd be nice if my home was as tall as Alexa's. I'm not complaining though. I like how cozy this is.
Okay, Google. Who is the President of the United States?
The President of the United States of America is Donald Trump.
Okay, Google. How old is he?
He's 71 years old.
Okay, Google. Where does he live?
The White House, the Trump National Golf Club, and others.
Alexa. Who is the President of United States?
The US President is Donald Trump.
Alexa. Where does he live?
Sorry, I don't know that.
As you just saw, the Google Assistant understands the context, whereas the Alexa is not able to understand the context in which the conversation is happening. So if you ask a follow-up question to Google Assistant, it is better equipped to answer your second question based on your first question's context, because I asked about the Trump and then I asked about his age and where he lives. The Google Assistant was able to answer my questions, whereas the Amazon Echo was not able to. So if you want to do conversations, Google Home is better equipped. But for all other scenarios, practical scenarios, the Amazon Echo is also as good. So you have to pick either of these depending on which one you like more and which ecosystem you are into more. So if you are more into Amazon ecosystem, you can pick up the Echo. If you are a frequent shopper from Amazon, it will help you. But if you want question answers, conversations, I think the Google Home Mini is more witty, is more capable, is smarter as an artificial intelligence assistant. So that's all we have in this video. What are your thoughts and views? Do let us know in the comment section below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this quick video. Stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.